Alright, language explorers, so let's look at today's commonly confused word. So draw and draw. So draw, draw. So the action to make pictures or other things on paper or screen. So let's try and get a photo. So draw. Draw, there we are. Very good, yeah. Yeah, okay, very good, yep. She is good at drawing. I draw a lot of things. I used to draw a lot of things. Did you draw this photo? They want to know who drew these pictures. Well, did you draw this picture? Yeah. I don't draw anymore. Yeah, I don't draw anymore. Yeah. They have been trained to draw the human anatomy, the human body. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. But draw a chest with different slots where you put things into. Like here, draw. I put it in the drawer. Which drawer are the shirts in? I think it is in the top drawer. These drawers are made from wood. Yeah. These drawers are solid oak. These drawers. What colour drawer do you want? Yeah, we have white, black, red, blue. Yeah. There are different kinds of drawers for sale. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So draw and draw. So, can you use draw and draw in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.